morning. Welcome back to the vlog. Today is going to be Friendsgiving with my friends. Yeah, so I did start some of this prep last night and I'll insert the clips here, but I basically made the pie ahead of time and the green bean casserole. So I'll go ahead and insert that. And then this morning I ran to Food Lion because I needed a few things after reviewing my recipes that I didn't realize I needed. So just to kind of share what I got a green apple, some fresh cranberries. This is for like a punch I'm gonna make. And then I wanted to get some grapes for our charcuterie board. I got cotton candy because honestly, they were the bags with the smallest amount and I didn't want a ton of grapes. Hopefully they taste good. They were expensive, but I haven't had them this year because I couldn't find them anywhere when I went out. So hopefully that helps. And then I needed to get baby carrots, one of our sides that I'm gonna do in a crock pot. I bought carrots the last time I went grocery shopping. I didn't think about the length of time they were gonna be in the fridge before I would use them. So I just got a fresh bag. And then I needed celery, carrots, and an onion for the turkey breast. I've done a turkey breast in the crock pot before, which is what I'm gonna do today, but the recipe that I had saved that I was planning to use was for a bone in, and this year I got a boneless one. So the boneless one, that a different recipe I found on Pinterest said to get this stuff to put in the bottom of the crock pot, which is fine because I'll use the rest of it later in a recipe for my meals in the upcoming weeks. Also, I needed to get poultry seasoning. I didn't realize I was out. And just one fun item I bought, never seen this before, hot cocoa cinnamon rolls. Says it's good until February, so I thought I'd get them because they're limited edition. Keep them in the fridge and I can have these for Christmas morning. So that's pretty much what I got. I'm just like trying to prep and get stuff done before some of my friends show up. So I think my goal is going to be to do the little bit of cleaning. I need to vacuum, unload the dishwasher, maybe wipe the counters. And then I need to get the folding table out of the garage because we usually set it up in the kitchen and kind of create like a buffet style for the food because it just works better with my dining room table. So I want to kind of get that stuff done. Then I'm going to take, it's almost 8 a.m. So if I can get that stuff done by 9, I think I'm going to go ahead and get my shower. And then I need to start prepping to get stuff in the crock pot. The turkey needs to go in about 10 a.m. The carrots don't need to go until 1. And then I think after I get it in the crock pot, I need to start pulling out like serving platters, bowls, servingware, that kind of stuff, so I can wash anything up that needs to be washed, because those only honestly get pulled out of my cupboard when we have Friendsgiving and sometimes Christmas. It's rare that they get pulled out, so I do need to get that stuff out and probably wash some of it. But yeah, that's kind of the game plan. I have a to-do list that I'm kind of working through. I am not going to stress myself out. In the past, I've always like panicked and tried to get everything done before anybody showed up, but this year I'm just not going to do that to myself. So I'm just going to work, do the best that I can, and when my friends get here, because a couple of them are coming early and they offer to help, I'll just delegate at that point. No point in trying to do it myself because it just doesn't work. Okay, I've gotten quite a bit done. It's almost 9 a.m. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get my shower so that way I can air dry before my friends get here and I can get on my clean clothes. But most importantly, I can run that load of laundry that I put in. I just figure I might as well shower so I can throw the last towel in there. So I need to get that done. And then turkey. As soon as I get out of the shower, I gotta start prepping to put the turkey in. Okay, it's turkey time. I got the crock pot out, a crock pot liner, butter, salt, pepper, onion powder. I'm using smoked paprika because that's what I got. And in the poultry seasoning I picked up, you're gonna need some chicken broth, onion, a couple of stalks of celery, and a couple carrots. And then of course the turkey breast, which is in here. There it is, all seasoned up in its glory. The veggies down below and broth. So this needs to cook for about 5 hours. I'm doing it early because I want to make sure it's done by the time we eat. Worst case, I'll turn it down to warm, but we're gonna go plug this in. I think I'm making good progress. So I think I'm gonna take the dog outside for a break, call my mom. And when we come in, I'll take care of putting those dishes away, and then probably I need to get the cover for the table, which I'm just using brown paper and we can write on it. But now that I'm thinking about it, I might wait until my friend gets here because she already left, and she can help me because that's a heavy roll of paper. But I'm gonna take the trash out while I go out. I don't know if there's anything else that's like pertinent to do right this second. I think we got some time, so I'm just gonna work slower now and just do a little bit here and there. I may try to get the platters and stuff out and cleaned and get the charcuterie board ready. So that was my Friendsgiving vlog. It's about almost 9:30. Everybody's gone. I think I've got most everything cleaned up. It was very fun. It was enjoyable. I did not stress out, and I really just allowed everyone to help me, which I think made a huge difference because we were able to just work together and get it done. But the food came out great. The turkey was awesome. Like, that is the best turkey recipe I think I've had for a turkey breast probably ever. So I will be linking that recipe down below for you. But I hope you enjoyed getting to see what me and my friends did. And as always, I hope everybody has a blessed day.